Hello. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of a fantastic communication tool, Pumble. Whether you're a part of a small team or a large organization, this platform offers a range of features that streamline communication and collaboration. First off, Pumble stands out with its user-friendly interface. The moment you log in, you're greeted with an organized layout that makes navigating through channels and direct messages a breeze. One of the key features is its unlimited messaging capability. Yes, you heard that right. Pumble allows for unlimited message history, meaning you can search and reference past conversations anytime without worrying about data limits. Now let's talk about pricing. Pumble offers a very appealing free plan, which is perfect for small teams or those just getting started. With the free plan, you have access to features like channels, direct messages, and even file sharing. However, if you're looking for more advanced features, such as integrations with other tools, video conferencing, or additional storage, Pumble offers a pro plan at just $5 per user per month. This plan unlocks even more potential for your team. Moreover, the platform provides a straightforward setup process, ensuring that you can get started within minutes. Pumble also prioritizes security with end-to-end encryption, so you can communicate confidently, knowing your data is protected. In conclusion, Pumble is an excellent choice for teams looking to enhance their communication and collaboration. With its generous free plan and affordable pro options, it caters to various user needs and budgets. If you found this overview helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for watching.